Hello, manufacturers and distributors. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to talk a little bit about cash flow and some ways that you can improve the cash flow for your business relatively quickly here. We all know cash flow is extremely important from our ability to buy new parts all the way to providing some value added services like credit to our companies that we work with. And so we're going to talk about ways that we can very quickly improve our cash flow at our businesses. Four ways. We're going to talk about inventory management, energy usage, supplier relations, and technical solutions, specifically automation here. But jumping right into it here, inventory management, it's obviously extremely important that we have an updated and accurate forecast of what we need and when. If not, we're going to have capital tied up in parts and that we have no plans of selling anytime soon. And so really having that plan in place is going to be paramount to your success. Next, energy usage. I highly recommend everybody go through an energy audit of some kind. No, this is not a sustainability initiative, but it's a way to find out if you can accomplish a task at a lower cost by using some energy saving solutions. There are a lot more things than you might initially realize. We would love to help you out with that. Next, supplier relations. With the economy being what it is, this is obviously extremely important right now. I know everybody negotiates with their suppliers. However, it's really important now more than ever that we come really prepared into those conversations. Doing some should costing or finding out ahead of time and calculating what things should cost is going to be really important here. Again, I'm not saying that anybody's suppliers are doing anything shady or ripping you off. But it's always good to know what things should cost at this time, especially due to inflation that we've been facing. And finally, automation or other kind of technical solutions. Again, no secret, we've got a staffing issue in manufacturing and distribution here. And so finding a way to circumvent those issues and still being able to help our customers and get new business at the same time is extremely important right now. Right now, I know some of you are losing business because you just don't have the staff to fulfill the orders. But somehow going through and automating a lot of those processes and kind of moving the people to the people centric tasks is going to be a pretty easy way that you can kind of redirect your resources into a better fitting place. So that being said, four quick ways to improve your cash flow at your business. If you have any questions, we would love to talk to you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.